Nike outlet Watts. Got here hella early. I think there's already people in line. Got resellers in line already. All right, they're opening up. They're opening up. Let's go. Let's go to the back. Let's go right to the back real quick. Beelined it ways to the back. I'm gonna primarily look at the refurbished stuff. Just in case it's like the East LA situation, I did peruse real quick. Not the craziest finds. Definitely not like East LA, but we'll look around. And a random security guard told me I can't take video here. Never really heard that. All right, $110 for these. These are size 10 right here. We came here to check out the refurbished stuff. Pegasus Trail 4s go for 70. Cosmic Unity going for 80. Those are gently worn. Still got some 36s here. No price tag. MX1 Premiums, $170. Next Gen's 141 for those. 97s go for 180. Pegasus Trail 3's 55. That's not bad with the 30% off on the back wall. $75 for the Delta 3s right here. CG Locate, size 11, 85. Size 9.5, Mac Attacks, 120. Calm Slides, $50, size 9. Pegasus Trail 4's 110. MX 95's going for 150. Zoom Freak 5's going for $100. I got these weird sandals right here, $50. $50 for these. At least you get 30 off. Almost missed these Chicagos right here. These have been here for a while. $2 for those. 2 for these as well, both 9.5. Got some of these in the men's right here. Women's Neapolitan 11s, $225 for those. Bigger sizes now, size 12. Some penny 2s right here, $2 though. 95s down here, 175. Got some Adjust Forces right here. It's a cool colorway, but yeah, still way too much because these are over like $2. More Calm Slides right here, going for 55. Infinity Run 4s, 110 for those, brand new. Got quite a few of these, $100 for these. I think we're in the size 13 now. Got Dunks, interesting color. Dunks 115. Well, that's a Nike by You right here. Dang, they want the full 160. Materials like pretty nice. Okay, I thought it was way nicer, but it's okay. It's okay, but decent color combo right here. Not too bad. A lot of suede on it. They want that full 160 though. That's surprising. Size 14 Metcon 7s right here, going for 70. 145 or 135 for these right here. Air Force Ones, size 14. Not much for big figure. Not much for much of us at all, to be honest. Size 16, 145 for those. Obviously, they have a few. 40% off clearance apparel. PSG jacket right here. Look at this. Double XL. 40% off this. Not bad. It is a double XL. 110. Club America t-shirt. These are 30, all small. 25 for this t-shirt right there with the sewn on Jumpman logo. Nice quality hoodie. Pretty thin though. Lightweight hoodie. 75. This one's a large. Nike Sports and Sanctuary Club. 35. This is a medium for Nike running. 50 for this Nike polo right here. Club America jersey. 95. Dang, dude, is that authentic or something? 35 for this one. This is a size large polo. They do have the Mamba Mentality t-shirts that just released. I'm trying to remember how much these were. $40 for these. I see a size small right there. I see medium. I see XL, so they do have sizes on those. They got them hanging right here as well. Okay. Still got these jerseys right here. $85. I see this small, medium, large, even XL for the UNC Jordan jerseys. These are, I think, a Swingman, right? It says limited though, which is interesting. Kind of do want some sweats. Sweats are kind of expensive though. $60 for sweats. Maybe with the 40% off, I guess. So at $36, not too bad. This one is super nice right here. This is a tech fleece though, so you know it's expensive. $70. Normally 100 and then you get another 30 off, so that's not too bad. I mean 40 off. SB cargo pants. They are super baggy. $100 for those bad boys. It is SB though. Got some baggy track pants going for 70. Also got these are all large and XLs. 55 for these sweats right here with the Super Nintendo Jordan on it. These sweats here are kind of dope. I think it's a smaller. Oh, it's a boys, that's why. I was like $40 for that. That's pretty freaking cheap. Pretty cheap. Then they got tech fleece right here. Couple pairs, and this one's $117. Good lord. Good lord. Moving over to the kids section. Preschool, $48 for these. After the 30% off, that drops these down to what, $34? $34 or something, not bad. Grade school for these. Got some Air Forces. Got Air Forces Gently 145. And I guarantee you these are tried on at most, because look at this. You know, Air Forces crease after like looking at them like sideways and stuff. But yeah, these are $45 with the extra discount. Man, that drops that down to what, 31 or something? Wow, wow. I was hoping they would have a ton of refurbs like East LA, but no, not really, not really. Air Max 90s right here, slightly imperfect. 55 for those. 35 for cleats right here. The more football cleats, 27 for these. Checking the rest of grade school, 100 for the 90s right here. Air Force Ones, $100. Manoa boots right here, 65. And more of these going for retail. Not much today. Wow. On feet today, do got some Kyrie 5. It's from the City Pack. This is the Los Angeles one. Freaking such a huge fan of these. And then do got on some tech fleece, as well as I think this is a Jetman exclusive hoodie right here, only available. Jetman did get it on sale though, because Jetman be having some crazy sales. And we got some tech fleece. Yeah, I need some more sweats though, man. I need more sweats. So I'm looking at the sweats right here. $30 for these right here. Small, medium only. And these have the elastic on the bottom. But they got these right here with no elastic on the bottom. They're both tapered. And these are 40% off. 40% off. 40, so that's what? $24? Do I get a medium or do I get a large? That's the question. $24, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen. Those sweats, you got some gray ones right here as well, but don't think the gray ones are got that extra discount. Oh wait, 40 for these as well. So do I get gray or do I get black? I do have a black one already. Kind of faded. I could use a gray one, I guess. Got these hoodies going for 40% off. 40% off, $88. I got these sizes, small, medium, large. Alright, back in the aisles, do got a bunch of non-signature Jordans right here. Team J's. It's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen. Those is Zoom 92s. Jordan Access pretty cheap right here as well. Jordan 200Es too. And of course they got plenty of the budget signatures, including the Witness 7s right here. Also Immortality 2s and Trae Young 9s. I always see those. But then we got the Ja 1s right here for regular price. As well as the Zoom Freaks. Y'all saw those for hella cheap at that one spot. Hope you guys are watching every one of my videos. Saw those at the Dick's Sporting Goods outlet in Upland. But yeah, Zoom Freak 5s right here as well. Got a couple of actual LeBrons right here, as well as the next gens. Running shoes, all kinds of Pegasuses, 45, that's pretty cheap. But remember, if you do see a 97 in the aisles, you also get the extra 30% off if they have it on the back wall. If they don't have it on the back wall, there's no extra discount. But if there's a discount off the back wall, that does mean it is on clearance. So gets whatever deals are on the back wall. And then Pegasus Trail 3s, Infinity Run React Flyknit 3s. And then Cosmic Unity. We've seen all that for quite some time. They do got Hyper Dunk 2017s if y'all been collecting. Y'all been hooping for quite some time. These were so freaking popular way back when, before the Kobe's got really popular. Fools were hooping in this big time. All right, I just heard one of the people talking on their walkie-talkies. I think they're gonna bring out refurbs. Got Metcon 8s. Look at this. It shows as Nike Essentials. What the hell? What's going on here? Been lagging like crazy. They might bring out refurbs. I'm gonna wait a few minutes, see what happens. Almost forgot the Jordan out. They got some mids right here. They do got these, but only up to a size 7. Hombres right here. White infrared 7s. Lows. JKOs. Jordan 2s right here. Lows, and then do got some golf right here. Okay. And then still have their Blazer collabs. Got those as well. There's no signs right here. I think this is 40% off. Do got a nice backpack right here. This is $125, but with 40% off, not too bad. Can hold some sneakers right there. Pockets right there, and then also has a main compartment where you can tie stuff down and stuff. Pretty pricey, but if it's 40% off, that's not too bad. Also got beanies right here going for 15. If it's 40% off, not too shabby. I think someone told me that it is 40% off on this section right here. I'm tripping. I almost forgot, dude. Do have the gratitudes right here. I forgot to return mine because I did get one with the friends and family pass. So yeah, man, I'm gonna have to return this one. I'm taking the box back to my car because I was like, hey, I could reuse the box for something. I did end up getting a return, and then I just realized, like, I think with the friends and family pass, I think I saved like $65 on these, which is freaking dope, dude. All right, I heard the workers talking about it on the walkie-talkie that they're gonna do a restock, but yeah, I waited 15 minutes. I gotta go, man. I got stuff to do. Dang it! Wish I showed that to y'all on video. Damn, I was hoping to catch that restock for you guys, but it is what it is, man. I gotta go, dude. I gotta go pick up my kid from some school event. It is what it is. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry I wasn't able to get that for you guys on video. They're probably gonna do it within the next hour. Can't win all the time, but it is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it today. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Share this with your friends if they're into sneakers. And yeah, man, I'm gonna have plenty more coming. I don't know where else I'm gonna hit up this week, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.